fire friends. Captain Kirsten here from beautiful downtown Darden Prairie, Station 4. Today we're going to go over home heating and electrical safety. I got two heaters here, space heaters here, that we're going to go over today. The first one, not really a good one. It has electrical coils on the inside here that is going to get extremely hot. If that gets hot, this is going to get hot. This is all metal. As with any space heater, you want to make sure you have about 3 feet around it to keep objects away from it. This one does have a safety switch on the bottom, right here. If it's sitting on anything, it's on, it's good, it's working. Once it tilts over, this comes down and it shuts it off. Let's go over to this one. We're going to come over here. This is an infrared one. This is probably one of your more safer ones here. It has a coil on the inside that will blow the heat out with the fan that's on the inside there. This is also a better one here. It has a cord that is actually grounded here. This one does not. It's just a 2-prong. And with any of these, you just want to make sure that you plug it into its own circuit, so its own 110 receptacle into the wall. All right, just to wrap it up here with space heaters, just to let you know, the space heaters do account for 43% of the home heating fires and 85% of deaths in America. So we just always want to keep an eye on this. They are very dangerous. Keep your kids away from them and pets away from them. All right, moving on to electrical safety. We'll start off with some extension cords we have here. We have 2 of them, a good one and a bad one. We'll start off with the good one. It's a good heavy cord. It's grounded. You'll see here with the 3rd prong here. We'll go over with the bad one here with the wires are showing. With any of these cords, just routine maintenance, looking for splits, tears, anything like that. Also with plugging in multiple electrical items, make sure you're using a qualified surge protector. With the holidays coming around the corner, we need to make sure that we're using the correct cords for the correct areas of the home. They do make the indoor cords that need to stay inside and do not use those outside. Also make sure that we keep cords out of any wet area. All right, taking a look here now at the breaker panel box that we have here. Let's make sure that we have about 3 feet of clearance around the panel itself. Make sure that the door is always closed on it. Once we open it, let's make sure all the breakers are in operating position. Do not tape these over to keep them in the on position. If they trip, that's for a reason. If they do trip, you probably need to get a certified electrician. Make sure that everything is good, and also make sure that they're labeled with the numbers. These have numbers on the side of them, and make sure that they're labeled with the coordinating numbers on a piece of paper or labeled on, actually sometimes people do it on the box themselves. We'll end up here at our furnace. Let's make sure that we're checking our air filters about once every 3 months. We'll take these out, replace them, make sure that the airflow arrow is pointed in the right direction. Also, most furnaces will have a little window that you'll be able to see in the bottom of it to make sure we got a good blue flame. Any more in depth with this, I would just contact a qualified HVAC company.